Welcome to the 1898 & Co. Advanced Threat Protection Center located in Houston, Texas. My name is Gabriel Sanchez, Director of Cybersecurity, and today I will be your guide on a tour of the ATPC. Here we have our lounge and our reception area where our clients and partners come together to talk on different topics inside of critical infrastructure before we deep dive into the core of our operations. Next, we'll make our way to our Advanced Threat Protection Center, where we house our data center and our lab, where we do our stress testing for our cybersecurity defenses. This is the heart of our facility, our Advanced Threat Protection Center, where our teams work around the clock to protect critical infrastructure. We specialize in safeguarding utilities such as electricity and water, as well as other industries that include oil and gas, manufacturing, and energy. We focus on real-time threat hunting, detection, and response for both IT systems and operational technology networks. Across the hall, we have dedicated spaces designated for both our clients and our industry events. These spaces allow us to collaborate and provide thought leadership that bring both our experts and our stakeholders together in order to discuss emerging trends and evolving threats. Everything we do is built on decades of real-world experience. This enables us to design resilient solutions and respond to cyber threats that are tailored to the unique environments that our clients operate in. Thank you for joining me on the virtual tour of the ATPC. We look forward to hosting you in person in Houston.